If you think luxury SUVs have already reached their peak, the 2027 Cadillac Escalade might make you think again. Because what makes this SUV interesting is not a dramatic redesign or unrealistic promises. It's the fact that Cadillac already pushed the Escalade into a new era. And for 2027, that formula continues with one of the strongest luxury identities in the market. From the first look, the Escalade still carries that unmistakable road presence. The front design remains bold and premium, with Cadillac's signature large grille, sharp vertical lighting, and a clean but commanding shape that instantly feels expensive. The proportions stay massive, especially in the long wheelbase ESV version, giving it that full-size luxury SUV character that few competitors truly match. Large available 24-inch wheels and updated premium detailing help the Escalade maintain an ultra-modern appearance without trying too hard. But here's where things get really interesting. Cadillac isn't relying only on size anymore. Technology has become one of the biggest reasons people are choosing the Escalade. Step inside, and the experience changes completely. The cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional SUV. One of the biggest highlights is Cadillac's massive curved 55-inch display stretching across the dashboard, creating a futuristic cockpit feeling from the moment you sit down. Premium trims offer materials including genuine leather and available semi-aniline finishes, while ambient lighting and metal speaker details elevate the entire atmosphere. Higher trims can include available executive-style second-row seating with extra comfort features designed for long-distance travel. And then there's the sound experience. Cadillac's available AKG premium audio setup with Dolby Atmos support has become one of the standout features in the luxury segment, creating an immersive cabin experience that feels closer to a premium studio than a family SUV. Performance also stays true to the Escalade name. The standard Escalade continues with a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 producing 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, delivering effortless highway power and strong towing capability reaching up to 8,100 pounds when properly equipped. For buyers who want something even more dramatic, the Escalade V remains the performance flagship with its hand-built supercharged 6.2-liter V8, delivering an incredible 682 horsepower and 653 pound-feet of torque. That level of performance in a vehicle this large still feels difficult to believe until you experience it. And this is the part many people didn't expect. Cadillac is now giving buyers two very different visions of luxury. Alongside the traditional gasoline Escalade, the company is expanding its electric luxury strategy with the Escalade IQ and larger Escalade IQL. The electric versions push technology even further, with up to 750 horsepower in Velocity Max mode and Cadillac estimated driving range reaching up to 460 miles in the IQL. That means buyers can choose between classic V8 luxury or fully electric flagship performance, depending on what fits their lifestyle. When it comes to competition, the Escalade continues to battle some serious names, including the BMW X7, Mercedes-Benz GLS, Range Rover, Lexus LX, and even ultra-premium electric options entering the segment. But Cadillac's biggest advantage remains simple: presence. Few SUVs combine luxury, technology, space, and identity quite like the Escalade. Pricing naturally stays in premium territory. The latest Escalade lineup starts around the low $90,000 range in the United States and climbs significantly for Platinum and V-Series trims, while electric Escalade models move even higher depending on configuration. So what's the honest verdict? The 2027 Cadillac Escalade doesn't need to reinvent itself to stay relevant. Instead, it builds on a recent refresh that already modernized design, upgraded technology, and strengthened its luxury appeal. If you want one of the most recognizable luxury SUVs on the road, the Escalade still deserves a place at the top of your list. Now I want to hear from you. Would you choose the classic V8 Escalade or go fully electric with the Escalade IQ? Drop your answer in the comments, subscribe for more premium car launches and reviews, and stay tuned because the next generation of luxury is moving faster than ever.